This video will detail how to operate and use direct liquid mode on the 6100. If your truck is equipped with a direct liquid anti-ice system, you will observe a soft key labeled direct. Pressing this key via the operator interface or touch screen will arm or disarm the direct system. When the direct system is armed, the soft key text will be green. When the direct system is disarmed, the soft key text will be white. You will also notice the direct material name and rate data gray out when the direct system is disarmed. Depending on how your truck is equipped, you may have the ability to apply direct liquid material to 1 lane, 2 lanes, or 3 lanes simultaneously. If equipped, you will see soft key for the left, center, and right lane valves. A minimum of 1 lane valve must be selected in green before the spreader will engage the direct liquid brine pump. This is intentional to prevent a brine hose from becoming damaged. The lane valves will automatically close when in standby mode, or at 0 miles per hour to prevent the brine from siphoning. Likewise, having the lane valve soft keys in green does not necessarily indicate that the system will command the lane valve open. All 3 conditions must be true. The system must be out of standby, vehicle above 0 miles per hour, and also the lane valve soft key in green before the valve will shift or activate. The target rate or application rate will be shown in blue where indicated here. This is the rate you are requesting to be applied. This rate can be adjusted by pressing the increase or decrease soft keys on the operator interface. Note that the units for direct liquid are gallons per lane mile. If 2 lane valves are open, the system will be dispensing twice the rate shown or 3 times the rate shown if 3 lane valves are open. Next to the target rate is the actual rate, showing the real-time amount of direct liquid dispense. The actual rate value may vary slightly or bounce as the system adjusts to the vehicle speed. You may see an actual rate of 0 occasionally as part of normal operation. This is correct as the spreader may halt operations when the vehicle is at 0 miles per hour and material is not being dispensed. To recap, use the direct soft key to arm or disarm the system. Units are gallons per lane mile, and having 2 lanes open means twice the target rate is being dispensed. Adjust the application rate with the soft keys. Both the target and actual rates are shown on the screen. Minor fluctuations in the actual rate are normal.